is fundamentally distinct from
so Obama does not, like, he would suddenly think he is constrained even though he has not up to now thought he's constrained?
Because Boumediene did not make a clear ruling that says that you have to follow through in the cases when you
where will the detainees be released to?
The act doesn't take a stance on that. One likely
it's not a stance, I'm just asking what you think.
One potential result may be to the U.S. We've released past detainees to Palau.
Switzerland?
Like Switzerland, yeah.
Okay, alright.
It wasn't an issue of Obama disregarding the courts and saying courts don't matter. It was an issue of Boumediene did not specifically clarify.
I have a question about your Vaughn and Williams card a little bit higher. That, like,
which one?
The plan is not an immigration issue. This card is very good on the fact that the plan should not be an immigration issue. It says the D.C. court was wrong to have made that ruling. However, the D.C. court still made that ruling, and that is what the legal ruling is. How does the plan change that, like the perception?
Well, three arguments. One is the ought probably solve that by changing legal ruling. Otherwise, any courts act would probably lose because there are many legal rulings for it. Second is our Vaughn and Williams evidence indicates that there is a strong legal tradition that this be cast as detention and national security rather than as immigration.
Well, okay, here's a part of the underlying part of the card.
Can I just see? I read two Vaughn Williams cards. Which one are you referring to?
The second one.
Okay.
The courts in the D.C. Circuit's view have no part to play in this because immigration issues fall squarely within the executive's sovereign prerogative. This approach, I believe, sanctions whatever political remedy the executive may select as a substitute for the legal remedy of release. This card is just saying that the executive's sovereign remedy is illegal, but why would it not still happen?
Or one, that's based off of a lower court decision. The rest of this article indicates that since strong legal reasoning goes the other way,
I know, but the legal precedent has been against the correct legal reasoning, though.
Yeah, the plan reverses that legal
precedent.
How? Because we rule that people who are held in Guantanamo have to be released. The plan text says that they have to be released. Like, you can call for the plan text after the round.
Yeah. Okay, so the plan text doesn't directly rule on immigration law, though.
The plan rules that they have to be released.
So
which means no matter what justification, if they still are not being released.
So potentially the AF could rule on immigration law, if necessary.
The plan doesn't rule on immigration law. That's what you're asking.
Cool. Okay, so even if that
the result is released, though. I feel like a lot of these questions are very circular.
Okay. We'll take prep.